Okay, so the next tool for open source reconnaissance is called Shodan. The website is shodan.io, and it's actually known as the hacker's Google. And this is because it's a site that literally has information about almost every single device that's connected to the internet. You can find out valuable information about targets and like discover vulnerabilities that are affected by them. And this is all open source intelligence. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out Shodan.io. This is the homepage of Shodan.io. I really think that you guys should go there and actually check it out and search around and actually create an account because you'll get a little bit more of access. But typically you want to come here and search something like an IP address of like a specific server. So let's say like you're doing a penetration test for a company and you have their domain name. You want to go ahead and figure out what the actual IP address. You can just do a quick like DNS lookup and figure out the exact IP address of that domain and come type it in here. So for this example right here, I'm just gonna do the Google DNS server, the public one that anyone can use. So just 8.8.8.8, and we're gonna search, and you see that it came out with a specific machine. So right now it's a DNS server, so of course port 53 is going to be open on that. So we have the country of origin, we see the organization, internet service providers, also Google. The last time that this was updated, we have some host name information, and what you might see with some other systems. I'm not going to show you any public systems that might have vulnerabilities, but what you'll see over here is like, hey, this vulnerability, it might be susceptible to this vulnerability, because it actually goes through and actually like looks for these things. So it's pretty neat and it's a pretty powerful tool. And I believe that you can also type in like different like host names and such as well, or URLs, and find things in here too.